Alright, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna be changing out these old louvers, and then we're gonna be putting the new ones. I painted this one by myself, but it didn't came out so properly. So now I decided to go with the black shiny one, and then I'm gonna install it. Yeah, so these are pretty straightforward to install. You're gonna have to take the backing off. Some people would eat it up with a heat gun, but me, the last time I did it, I just take the backing off and just put it on there. The sun will eventually kind of cure it on there itself, so you don't have to do that. So you take the backing off and you spray the area with some rubbing alcohol and prep, and then you just stick it on. That's it pretty much. So now that the backing is off, you're gonna clean the area with some rubbing alcohol. Wipe it off. And then you're just gonna stick it on. Like I said, don't worry about the strength of it, and then after you put it on, you're not supposed to wash your vehicle for like about 24 hours. So just give it some time to cure. Wipe it off, and then try to line it up as much as possible. And then just stick it on there. So over time, the sun will cure it, so you don't have to worry about that too much. And then that should be it. So you just do one side and then you prep the next side and do the same thing. Yeah, so it's pretty much gonna be the same thing. Clean your ear up and then just spray and install. Yeah, so I know it's been a while since I haven't uploaded any videos on YouTube. The winter kind of messed that up. Met in an accident, so the van was in the shop for a while. Stuff, so I'm back. Just gonna try and drop some more videos as soon as possible. Just stay tuned and continue to support. Clean the area. So rubbing alcohol, and then the same thing. Just line it up and put it on. So the sun will cure it over a period of time, so you don't have to worry about that. And just give it like 24 hours before you wash the vehicle or anything like that. Yeah, so that's it. That's another simple DIY. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Yeah, so that's a finishing look. Don't worry about it, the sun will clear it after a period of time. And yeah, nice black and sleek. That's the final look. As I say, you guys just stay tuned. I have a lot more videos coming. My van was in the shop, and then the winter too that caused all of that. But yeah, I'm back. So thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.